What's up guys, my name is Angel. It was about time to make another video specifically for stock and ETF investors. Today I want to talk about CapTrader, an introducing broker to interactive brokers, and my own experience since I made the switch. CapTrader enables you to have a fully featured interactive brokers account without the monthly inactivity fees that interactive brokers normally charges. In case you're wondering what the heck interactive brokers is, I don't blame you. They're one of the best known and most reputable brokerage firms in the world, founded all the way back in 1977 in the US. They're also listed on the stock exchange. In my opinion, they're an excellent alternative or addition to Degiro for buying and selling ETFs and stocks, also because Degiro is not available in many countries. I also want to use this video as a bit of an update regarding my own interactive brokers account, as I recently made the switch myself from TradeStation to CapTrader, and I received plenty of questions about it. If you're in the same situation, I'll show you how you can easily make the switch as well. Last but not least, since many of you are probably new to interactive brokers, I want to show you how investing works on a platform. So at the end of the video, I'm going to invest 1,000 euro into my favorite ETF, the Vanguard FTSE All World. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And also, if you'd like to support me and check out CapTrader for yourself, you can find the link down below in the description. The only thing you need to know is that I have an account minimum of 2,000 euros. Alright, so last year I recorded a video where I showed you how I was using TradeStation Global as an introducing broker to interactive brokers to get access to the platform without paying monthly inactivity fees. However, I recently saw that TradeStation wanted to introduce monthly fees for European residents starting in March. Here's the email they sent out. If you also have an account on TradeStation, maybe because you watched my previous video, let me explain. TradeStation has a license for the UK and some other countries, but due to Brexit, the UK license is not valid for European residents anymore. Meanwhile, internally on Interactive Brokers, all European residents were moved from IB UK to IB Ireland or IB Hungary if you're based in Eastern Europe, due to new regulations because of Brexit. As a result, TradeStation is now basically disconnected from all of its European clients and doesn't earn any part of their trading fees anymore, which are now only managed by interactive brokers. Well, that was their entire business model and how they were able to offer the accounts without paying the $10 monthly inactivity fee you usually get with an interactive brokers account. So the subscription fee that they announced was more or less a last resort for them to still earn a tiny bit of money on their European clients. And from what I heard, they've been trying until the very last second to still be able to manage all of their clients without monthly fees, which is also why the whole thing was announced with such short notice. Alright, I hope you now understand the situation. Since I'm guessing you probably don't want to pay for that subscription fee, here's how you can make sure it is removed. Log into your account on Interactive Brokers, click on User Settings, Research Subscriptions, and then make sure that the subscription is removed here. That's it. If you're anything like me, you likely want to avoid extra costs whenever possible, so that you have more money left over to invest. After spending plenty of time looking for alternatives to TradeStation over the past couple of weeks, I finally found one that I'm very happy with, which I want to share with you in this video. Let's talk about CapTrader. CapTrader is another introducing broker to interactive brokers. They were founded in 1997 and are based, licensed and regulated in Germany. The most important part for you to know is that they still allow us European investors to get access to an interactive brokers account without any monthly inactivity fees, since they have a European license. They also have very low commissions for buying and selling ETFs and stocks, which you can find on their commission page. I'll go into more detail about the trading fees later in the video when I show you how to buy an ETF. One thing you need to know is that there's a minimum deposit for opening an account on CapTrader, 2,000 euros. Of course, we can use and invest that money straight away, for example into ETFs using interactive brokers. CapTrader support is also excellent, which is great since interactive brokers is a bit lacking in that regard. If you already have an existing interactive brokers account through TradeStation, for example, like I did, and you want to switch to avoid paying monthly fees as a European investor, here's what you need to do. Send an email to info@captrader.com and tell them that you want to transfer your account from TradeStation to them. You will then get some instructions and a PDF to fill out, which is then sent to interactive brokers to move your account. I did this part already and my own account was successfully transferred over to them last weekend. As you can see, when I log into my account on the Interactive Brokers website, it now shows CapTrader on the top left. You can also double check by clicking on Portfolio Analyst. There it should also show CapTrader when the account is opened or successfully transferred. Alright, now that you have your account, let me show you how you can buy an ETF, for example. And just so you know, I'm a simple long-term investor, not a professional trader, so I haven't used any other trading tools that are available. I simply use the Interactive Brokers website. Also, I always try to place my orders at a time when the markets are open, typically between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central European time, Monday to Friday. Around these times, there's more liquidity, so you should be getting better, more accurate prices. I'm going to use these three tools: Just ETF to find the ETF that I'm looking for, then Interactive Brokers, to buy the ETF, and TradingView to double check the price that I'm buying at. So let's search for my ETF. I want to buy the Vanguard FTSE World, the accumulating version. I'm going for the accumulating version because it reinvests dividends automatically. So it's a bit more optimal from a tax perspective for me. And it's also easier than reinvesting them myself. And down here, we're gonna take the ticker. We're gonna copy that. And we're gonna paste that into Interactive Brokers. And here we go. There is our ETF. You can see the Vanguard FTSE World ETF. This is the accumulating version. And now we're gonna open TradingView, search for the same ETF. I'm gonna choose the etc. exchange. And here I'm gonna open the full chart. And here we can see the current buying price as well as the selling price. This way we know a little bit what the spread is like right now, just to have an idea when we place our order, just to double check. All right, now we're back on Interactive Brokers. And here, in case you're wondering about this, down here, the NBBO, that's Interactive Brokers Smart Routing System, where it tries to find the best price on several exchanges for us. And you can also see the asking price and the bidding price. The asking price is what we can buy it at, and the bidding price, what we can sell it at right now. And if we compare that, yeah, that's pretty close. All right, now we're gonna place our order. I deposited 1,000 euro, and I wanna buy for 1,000 euro. I wanna buy shares of my ETF. We type in 1,000 euros. We're gonna place a market order actually, since the market is quite liquid. And it says we're gonna get approximately 12 shares. It's probably gonna be 11. Let's see, preview. And yeah, here it says we get 11.6 shares. I'm not sure if we can actually get partial shares as well, or if we're just gonna round down to 11 full shares. And we can see we would pay a €2 commission on our order, which is really good in my opinion. All right, now we're gonna place our order, and here we go. We just bought 11 shares of the World ETF. And let's check our order overview. Here is our order, 11 shares at an average price of 85.74, which is really good. So even lower than I expected. And we paid a total of €943.14 for our shares, plus a €2 fee for our order. And we can see it was executed on the GetTex exchanges. That was the exchange that offered us the best price. And I also wanted to show you this. When you search for your ETF and you click on research on Interactive Brokers, then you can find a lot more information. For example, here you can also check on holdings of your ETF. You can see the top 10 holdings, like there you can see Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, etc. that make up the index right now. You can see the industry allocation, and you can even click on show more to see how it is spread out through industries. The country allocation, and here we can see that the US still makes up 53% on a market cap basis, since the largest companies are from there right now, and the currency allocation. All right, hopefully now you know how you can buy ETFs or stocks with minimal fees using CapTrader and Interactive Brokers. Speaking about fees, let's go into a bit more detail. When you use the Interactive Brokers web interface like I just did, your orders are routed via the IB Smart Routing System by default, which is what the NBBO stands for. The integrated Smart Routing System always tries to find the lowest available price for an ETF or stock on all available exchanges when you place an order. The web interface also shows the estimated fees when you place an order, as I showed you before, so there should be no surprises there. In my case, I paid €2 in commissions for an order close to 1,000 euros. My order was executed on the German GetTex exchange, which has the same fee model as these 3 exchanges you can see on CapTrader's website. GetTex was added recently. They told me this list is going to be updated soon to reflect that. So in this case, we have an order fee of 0.1% with a minimum of €2. That means I could have also placed an order of 2,000 euros, and I would have paid the same €2 fee, as that is exactly 0.1%. A 5,000 euro order, on the other hand, would have been €5 in commissions, and so on. If for whatever reason you want to use a specific exchange to place your order on instead of the smart routing system, then you can do that by using the other free available tools for your account, like Trader Workstation. I haven't tried that myself yet. Okay, there are 3 more things that you might be interested to know, especially if you're coming from Degiro. First, there are no dividend fees. Second, there are no yearly exchange connectivity fees. Third, there is no share lending by default. I actually think you can activate it manually and get 50% of the interest that is earned from lending out your shares against collateral if you're interested in doing that. And fourth, I have a little bonus tip. Let's say you receive a lot of dividends in US dollars and you want to convert them to euro. You can either do that directly on Interactive Brokers and pay a small exchange fee, or you can actually send the US dollars to a free Revolut bank account and exchange them there without fees. I can confirm it works as I already tried that myself. In summary, all I can say is that I'm very happy that I found CapTrader and that I was able to move my Interactive Brokers account there. I think they're an excellent alternative or addition to Degiro, especially since Degiro is not available in many countries. I have to admit that the Interactive Brokers interface is not the most beginner friendly, but I hope I was at least able to show you how you can buy an ETF using the broker and give you a bit more information. That's it. Before I take off, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Also, if you'd like to support me and check out CapTrader for yourself, you can find the link down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.